Hey everybody, Savas Algebra 2, working in lesson 3.5. Second problem here, then just getting going in this lesson. And we're supposed to solve this equation, and it doesn't really say how to solve it. It just says solve it. So, one method is usually to move everything to one side. So if I moved the 6n squared to the left and I kept that minus n and add that 6 to the left, I'd get something like this, but I'm not sure how you're going to solve it from there yet. So I'm going to go back to the original problem and think of these n's as x's and put a y equals and graph this y equals x cubed minus x, and on the right, graph that as a y equals 6x squared minus 6. And I've already done that for us over here in Desmos. I've graphed each side separately. Desmos does not require the y equals, but if you feel better by having me put it in there, I will. So you've got them there. So I graphed each side of the equation, and to see where they're equal, we're just going to look here at these points of intersection. So -1, 0, and 1, 0 would be my preferred method for solving this. So the solution, and it's only the x's, so -1 and 1. I don't, maybe let's submit that and see. So let's go back to our graph and see if there's something else in here. If we look way up here, are these getting closer to each other at all? I don't think so. Let's see, sometimes you can come in here and just make this go up way higher. Oh, there was another point way out here. So, and 6. So I also need a 6 in that list. Now, the way they were going to have us do this, if we went back to this original problem and let's say we took the 1 out of there. So I know I've got the 1. If I divide that out of here, remember synthetic, we have our 1, -6, -1, and 6. So I bring the 1 down, multiply, add down, multiply, add down, multiply. So then we would have our remainder, and we'd have x squared minus 5x minus 6. And we could factor this to find the other solutions too. So x times x, and then a -6 and a +1. So this would give me my -1. When I set it equal to 0, this would give me my 6. This kind of thing. Remember, we've done that lots. So that's how you could get your answers. If you know one of the zeros and then divide that out and see what's left till you get to a quadratic. And then once you're in a quadratic, use one of the methods we've practiced previously for solving that. So I think now we should have it. Let's submit that and see. There we go. So that's your help there. If you need more, try down at the bottom. View an example, help me solve this. And good luck.